dumela motswana ko gae ke Motaso General. Ke ne ke tlile ke tlo joina batswana botlhe ba ne ba petition. Ke dumelana le megopolo a bona gore batho botlhe ba ba tsereng madi ba tshwanetse go a busa ba tsera lwetse ka ga tsela e siameng, because re le batswana we should be having equal opportunities. So them having responded bogolane ka ga bogolane bo respondileng ka teng a go a nkgotsofatsa ga ke a itumela ebile gore a re ke ba addressa santle, because the issue is a matter of urgency. It requires immediate action. Ka ha the commander of the petition a buang ka teng o na re peletse pele mo gantong se mo tlhalosa ka eleng gore o na le sufficient appropriate evidence. So that sufficient appropriate evidence is enough on its own for ba ka etsa be ba acta on it, because these people have been exposed to money, but they have secrets. They know how to channel money in a way that can be traced. So I got to few extension during that period. They will be clearing evidence about the Rambadira. Koyakana, give Banama Batsedi to Kana, ba continue worrying Baskaka Batsatsu, long for a job Padasa situation. Yano, same as long for remotion. That is the first challenge, authorities. Baba they have to succeed in it. If they fail, they are exposing a possibility for but the Rahal cases in the Rahal masses. Rabatla for only immediate action with the Chinese finalists. But on about what's about the so they've applied, they've been rejected. But there's someone who has got 10 companies to totally find UITC. That is what we are against. By long for bad, Kibadom Krakabaska, Rara Arija, Rija Barut. Thank you.